Well, my backup homemade doggy door finally broke again for like the 10th time. So I made a new one. And this is what I use. It's the old magnet from the original door. I just got some really strong clear tape on there. It's almost like a rubber tape. Clean it off first. Just measure your opening, top to bottom, back to front. Use a square. This is corrugated plastic. It comes in 4x8 sheets. It's not cheap, but this works a lot better than the rubber door did because it doesn't expand and contract like the other one did. In the morning, it would be flapping and blowing in the wind because it shrank. In the evening, it would buckle and let a lot of flies through. The dogs aren't going to like this at first because it's a little bit stiff, but they'll figure it out. Give them a couple of days. Works good. 4x8 sheets of corrugated. You can buy that at your hardware store. And have some tape on hand for when they break it when it's -30. The wind is pushing that in now. You gonna try it out, Kira? You wanna go outside? There you go. Go outside. Ah, she figured it out the first time. Good girl. It's a lot cheaper than the rubber door. I think they wanted $40 for the replacement. And you can get a 4x8 sheet of the corrugated stuff and make several doors over time. I installed the original rubber door in the fall of 2009, I think it was. And that door only lasted about 3 or 4 years before they snapped it off in -30. This one here broke several times, but it's had a lot of use. It's had dogs every day coming and going from it.